drone incident near Moscow Expocentre. Mayor Sergei Sobyanin of Moscow confirmed that Russian air defenses successfully shot down a drone early on Friday as it attempted flight over the city. The debris from the destroyed drone fell in the vicinity of the Expocentre, causing no significant harm to the building. Fortunately, there have been no reported casualties or substantial damages resulting from the incident. This marks the third instance within the past month where debris from drones has struck this particular district of Moscow. As a precaution, the airspace over Vnukovo International Airport was temporarily closed, leading to delays in arrivals and departures. The repeated nature of such incidents raises concerns about the security of airspace and potential vulnerabilities associated with drone activities in densely populated areas. Russia's repulsion of unmanned Ukrainian attack. Russia's defense ministry stated that 2 of its patrol ships successfully repelled an unmanned gunboat attack by Ukraine in the Black Sea. The Ukrainian vessel was allegedly targeted by Russia and subsequently destroyed before reaching its intended destination. The Pitlivi and Vasily Baikov, Russian patrol ships, were overseeing navigation in the area when the incident unfolded. Earlier this month, the Vasily Baikov was involved in repelling a similar uncrewed boat attack by Ukraine. Notably, the same vessel participated in Russia's attack on Ukraine's Snake Island at outset of the full-scale invasion. Further tension arose earlier this week when the Vasily Baikov fired warning shots at a cargo ship in the Black Sea after the vessel did not respond to a request for inspection. Military aid and coordination between Ukraine and the US. Valery Zaluzhny, the commander-in-chief of the Ukrainian Armed Forces, communicated with his US counterpart, General Mark Milley, in a phone call. The conversation covered a spectrum of topics, including immediate, mid-term, and long-term plans. While specifics about Russian actions in Ukraine were not elaborated upon in the post, discussions included the relevant needs of Ukrainian military forces, such as weaponry, ammunition, demining assets, and air defense and electronic warfare systems. Zaluzhny expressed gratitude for the material and technical assistance provided by allies, reinforcing the collective efforts to counteract the aggressor. The ongoing coordination between Ukraine and the US in the realm of military support underscores the collaborative approach in addressing the security challenges posed by the ongoing conflict.